Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view anyone's liked videos on their TikTok account. Now, open the app, and as you open the app, you'll get the videos or interface like this. If I want to see this particular person's liked videos, then I can swipe to the profile by swiping on the screen from right hand side to the left. As you can see on the profile, you can see the main feed here just below the 6-line icon that you can see on the screen. But just beside it, you can find the heart icon. Click on it and you will be able to look at their liked videos. But since this user has set his liked videos to private, you can't view it. But if anyone has not set the liked videos to private, then you will be able to view by simply tapping on the like icon that you can see on the profile. Hope this helped you. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.